2x4 square tubing, 120 wall thickness. You need to get your car to the proper weight expectations. Weight will go here, and this is your center length rail. Your weight light, your weight low, set it in the center of the car. The driver will sit right here. Once we build our front clip, sway bar tube fixture and the rear control arm fixture right here will center the front clip, and that fixture right there will locate our wheelbase.
Yeah, new bolts. Okay. Okay, now that we've got our front clip centered in the right location, I've tacked up all the joining pieces. We've got a slight bevel in every seam. You want to make sure all four corners are tacked before you start welding. Now I'm going to start welding this flat position. It's a butt weld. And then I'm going to go in the vertical down position. And when you do that, you want to hold your welder up at about a 45-degree angle. And you want the nozzle about a ½ inch away from your piece. And you want to do a circular motion. You want to chase that puddle down all the way through your piece. I'm going to start on the top, a flat position. Always cut your wire before you start welding. Okay, now for a first timer in an application like this, what I would recommend, you would probably want to take some scrap material, same structure like this, cut your piece, bevel it, and tack it, and you might want to hold it up in that position so you get comfortable before you actually weld the piece on the car, so that it allows for less amount of mistakes. In this joint right here, I've got a little bit bigger gap than I need, so you want to turn your welder down to compensate for the gap. Then you got something to hold on to. Okay, now that I just welded in this really tight angular piece here, I had to turn my welder up and my wire speed up because you can't get your gun in there as well to lay your bead. Oh, and one more thing you might want to remember while you're welding a big project like this, always keep a close watch on your gas supply and on your wire supply. You don't want to weld, you don't want to run out in the middle of a weld.